One step forward and 10 steps back. I bet on red, but it should have been black. They say there's nothing that love can solve. I guess that's true without me involved. I wrote a